This is TPR Foods, and this is a review of the 7 Select Apple Snack Pie from 7-Eleven, a signature brand of 7-Eleven. Now, I've never tried any of the snack pies that they had at 7-Eleven before, but I have had the apple snack pie type of dessert from McDonald's, Popeyes, things of that nature. This comes in at 390 calories. I'll put it in the microwave for 15 seconds to warm it up a bit. And I'm gonna get into it, tell you what I think. I believe the McDonald's, at least when they had the baked ones, was 270 calories. Just a little bit more. I got this a couple days ago by way of Uber Eats. It was on sale for $1. Not sure how much it costs in person, but it probably costs $1 in person. I'm sure I pay Uber Eats Premium. Apple filling made with real fruit wrapped in a lightly glazed flaky crust. Let's try it out. Okay. Smells apple-y, sweet. Good stuff. I definitely see myself getting this again. Good apple taste, good sweetness, flaky crust, slightly warm from the microwave. I dig this. So yeah, if these things are $1, or maybe a little more, but hey, it's convenient. Warm it up in the 7-Eleven microwave. You got a nice little treat. So yeah, thumbs up to this. So yeah, thumbs up to this. Good stuff. If you haven't tried it, check it out. TPR Foods out.